G'day and welcome back to the 40 channel. So in this episode we really give Sam a really big cleanup. Well, Alia gives Sam the cleanup and gets it prepped, ready for paint. We're not quite there. I might give Alia a bit of a surprise at the end of this episode. We've hung all Sam's bits and pieces up on the shed wall. That way it just clears all the floor and it means that we can just work on one piece at a time as we go through it. So anyway, you ready?
Yep.
Let's get into it. That was really hurtful on my earballs, my earlobes. Just clean the cab. Alia pressure washed it, and me, and herself. Then we wire wheeled the whole bottom. Then we've scrubbed it all back. Then we did another wire brush. Then we've rust converted it. Then we've blown it all down, given it another clean. Then we've wax and grease removed it. Then we're going to use the ZPH. Right now, this is an oil-based rust-resistant primer. This will work really, really well. But it's very important that we give it a really good shake up before you use it. You don't want to just spray it straight on, otherwise it's not going to work as well. So I'm going to show you a trick, Alia. Hold that for me. Righto, so as I said, it's very important to give this a really good shake. Right, squeeze the trigger nice and lightly. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There we go. Ready to go. Shake it. Righto, this has been a fairly significant job just to get to this stage. I didn't film any of it because I was already in the shed doing some other projects and I just got carried away and got stuck into this. So basically what we did was that we went over the whole lot, scuffed it right back with some heavy, I think 80 grit, and then after we hit it with some 80 grit, then we just went over the whole thing with some wire wheels. So all these little small ones, I got them all from Tool King. They came in really, really handy to get into all these little spots until it felt really smooth. Gave it a quick rust convert, cleaned it all down. Then I wax removed the whole lot. And then we sanded it back again with some 120. Then we sprayed it with the ZPH. This is an oxidizing primer, so if there's any rust, sitting in there, this stuff can spray straight over rust as well as protecting it, so that's really good. Now for the last little bit, I'm just going to hit it with some 400, just really carefully, just with my hand, because as you can see, there is so many little bits and pieces on here. Just knock those last little bits back, and then we'll give it the red spray. So even though this is a patina build and the outside's going to be really rough looking, we're trying to give the inside the best look we can. Right, I'm going to do a huge wipe down with the wax and grease remover. That's come up really smooth. Actually, I'm really happy with the way that's come up. It's actually better than it was from factory. We actually took off some of the burrs and all that type of stuff. It's come up really, really nice. Right, let's give it all a nice big wipe down. Get ready for paint. This has been a pretty long process, but it looks really quick on film. Last thing I'm going to do before I hit with a lint-free wipe. This will just make sure that there's nothing else left on it before we give it that final coat. Because there's so many different shapes, nuts, inserts, brake line holders, you've got to be really careful in the way that you wipe around, otherwise everything just catches on it, gets all caught up and tears your rags and like that. Righto, we're ready for the red. Give it a really, really good shake. Let's go. Righto, that looks absolutely stunning, especially wheeling out to the sun, especially where the sun is hitting it. It has come up beautiful, super shiny and red, really glossy. We'll leave it out here in the heat of the sun, let that dry and bake on. And Alia is going to be super surprised, thinks it looks awesome, and she's going to be so cranky at me that I've done this without her being here. Anyway, she'll probably be down here in a couple of hours. I'm ready for the wrap. Righto, Alia, a little bit of a surprise. I did some stuff while you were not here. What do you reckon?
Looks amazing.
Does look pretty amazing. So there was a lot of work that went into this, but don't worry, Alia, there's even more work to do inside the cab yet. So this was a really good test and it came up, like Alia said, amazing. I'm really, really happy with the results. It looks fantastic. But anyway, this has been a big journey just to get to this point, hasn't it, Ali?
Yeah.
Pulling everything apart, getting this all prepped and getting it to this point. So that's pretty much it for this episode. Might not be a really long episode, but a lot happened even behind the scenes. So anyway, guys, in the last comments, you guys pointed out safety, and I am guilty of not letting Alia put safety glasses on and masks on, but it's absolutely spot on. Safety should always be number one because we only get one set of eyes and one set of lungs. So, sorry, Ali. And good pickup to all you guys out there as well. Anyway, guys, until next time.
Thanks for watching.